how to use Tripadvisor tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Tripadvisor. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Tripadvisor, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know Tripadvisor, it is a leading global travel platform that provides users with a wide range of tools to plan and book their trips. And this platform offers various features to help travelers make informed decisions about their travel experiences. So basically, Tripadvisor is a renowned online platform that offers a vast array of resources and services tailored to travelers, serving as a one-stop destination for travel-related information. It provides a platform for users to research, plan, and book their trips worldwide. And now, to create an account on Tripadvisor, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open your browser and kindly go to tripadvisor.com and just click the sign in button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that you can continue or sign in using your Google account or email address. But in those options, I'm going to continue using my Google account. So can I click on it? And after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to start using Tripadvisor, under the search hole, if you scroll down below here, it will show you a variety of places that you can check out to see the overview of those places and what those places can offer. You could also see here or search for hotels, things to do, and restaurants. But firstly, we need to input a specific places or country that we want to go. So let's say I'm going to enter here Las Vegas. And upon searching on a specific places, below here it will show you the result that includes the hotels, things to do, restaurants, destinations, vacation rentals, airlines, and 4 rooms that you can find under the filter result on the left side panel. And let's say we're looking to find a specific destination on Las Vegas. So can I click on this? Then you will be directed on this page. And from here it will show you a variety of photo and an overview about Las Vegas. You'll also see here some of the tips, travel advice, which is best time to visit, getting ground, local customs, and tips from the pros. And also you can use Tripadvisor as your online booking system, since Tripadvisor has an online booking system that allows travelers to book and pay securely for their accommodations, tours, and activities. And below here it will show you some of the destinations that you could also check out and visit some of their iconic places. You could also see here where to stay, where to eat, and how you can enjoy your visit or vacation on specific places. And if you're trying to book an hotel, you could simply enter here the date that you want to check in, or you could select the dates to find the best prices for your trip, and also select the checkout dates. Customize the guests, which is the room, adults, and the number of children included. So you can basically customize it in here. And you could also use Tripadvisor to search and compare, in which users can search for hotels based on their destination, travel dates, and preferences. And as you can see here, Tripadvisor provides a wide selection of accommodations worldwide, ranging from budget to luxury options. And let's say we're trying to find a hotel to stay in Las Vegas. So for instance, this Bellagio Las Vegas. So can I click on it, and you will be directed on this page. And below here, it will show you the prices, the reviews from other customers, in which it is important to consider the reviews and ratings as a factor before choosing a hotel to stay in. And Tripadvisor's extensive databases of user-generated reviews and ratings allows travelers to evaluate hotels based on the experiences of past guests, in which this helps users to make an informed decision and choose accommodations that align with their needs and expectations. And as you can see, it has 4-star rating, which is very good, which means almost all of the people or guests are satisfied in this hotel. You could also see here other alternative that is way more cheaper and nearby the specific hotel that you choose. So you could also compare the price, and this platform allows users to compare prices from various booking sites, ensuring they get the best deal available for their chosen hotel, in which this feature helps users find competitive rates and save money on their bookings. But what about booking flights? How Tripadvisor help to book flights? By simply clicking the flight option on the top panel, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you will be able to search for a flight, in which as a users, you can search for flights by entering the departure city, destination, travel dates, and other preferences. And you could also customize here the number of person included on your flight, and choose which class we have your economy, premium economy, business class, and first class. And same as booking hotels, it is also important to compare the prices. Similar to hotel bookings, Tripadvisor enables users to compare prices for flights from multiple sources, in which this feature ensures that travelers can find the best deals available and potentially save money on their airfare. And aside from booking a flight, you could also book a cruise or travel using cruise ship that you can book on this Tripadvisor, in which users can search for cruises by destination, departure port, travel dates, cruise line, and other preferences, in which Tripadvisor provides a comprehensive database of cruise ship itineraries from various cruise lines, making it easy for travelers to find options that match their preferences. And similar to flights and hotels, Tripadvisor allows users to compare prices for cruises from different booking sources. And now let's try to search for specific places or country. Aside from Las Vegas, I'm going to enter here South Korea. Upon hitting enter, it will show us the results in here, including the result of destination, some of the iconic places on the specific country, and the list of hotels that we could also stay in with different corresponding prices and reviews that we can consider before booking a place to stay in. And after choosing a hotel, the next thing that we need to do is to simply enter or select the check-in date and the check-out date depending on our preferences. And also below here, if you scroll down, it will show you the reviews and ratings of the past guests on this specific hotel. And Tripadvisor is very helpful in booking a hotel on a specific country since it offers transparent information or detailed information about each hotel, including amenities, room types, policies, and photos. And this transparency helps users make well-informed decisions and ensures they know what to expect before booking. And aside from that, to know more about trips, just click the trips option on the top panel, and from here it will show you that you could also get personalized recommendation with AI, save hotels, restaurant, and many more. Or alternatively, you could also build your trip from scratch, in which what we did earlier by browsing the top destination, restaurant, hotels, and other activities that we can browse in this Tripadvisor. So basically, Tripadvisor stands as a beacon of support and guidance for travelers worldwide, offering a lot of resources and services tailored to every aspect of the journey. With its extensive database of user-generated reviews and ratings, traveler can make well-informed decisions about accommodations, restaurants, attraction, flights, cruises, and many more. And if you want to download the Tripadvisor application, it is available on Google Play Store if you're using Android, and it is also available on your Apple or App Store for iOS. So basically, whether exploring new destinations or visiting familiar ones, Tripadvisor continues to empower travelers with the knowledge and tools they need to make the most of their journeys. So that is just basically how you can use Tripadvisor. Thank you.